Hello again, everybody. This is Gemma from Gemma Toy Collector, and whenever I said I was going to draw Diva Chicken, now I'm going to draw both of the battle chickens, which is Diva Chicken and Funny Chicken. So first I'm going to draw Diva Chicken because it's her birthday, but they're going to be together, actually. So yeah. First we draw the lump, and then the little cheek. A real cheek. Oops, I messed up there. Don't do that. Don't. And then, oh my gosh, that looks bad. Okay. Then you draw a tiny little nose, a smiley, and then like that. Whoop. And then we make her really, really happy. She has to be happy, or else everything is dead. And it's her thinking special thing. So, for like the 40th time, please check out the Battle Chickens. Their channel is great. I love their videos. So do the one that has a drawing of two chickens battling each other, because that's the one. Which mine is me holding a magical unicorn without my glasses. I have glasses now. I got them in August of 2016. These are my glasses. So I'm looking at a sample. Okay, this one's kind of dried out. I'm going to use one of my new and improved sharpeners. Oh, my pencil. We're not using pencils. We're using Sharpies so you guys can see. That's what the teachers do all the time. They always use some kind of pen or flare pen. That's what we have these days. Oh, that one's sharp. I mean, that's a good Sharpie. Oh, wow, this is going to be a great picture on our special day. Diva Chicken. I go to school with her. And I'm not going to say what school it is because that's personal information. But most of my friends watch my channel. So, yeah. Then we draw just a little hoodie, because that's what she has on in her Minecraft skin. And there needs to be kind of some room. Then we need just a little tiny eyes like that. And then a beak. Oh my god, it looks adorable. I'm gonna give her this kind of hair. And don't forget to add in the shines, so she looks really cute. And then we're going to draw more hair. It's coming down from here. Because usually when you're wearing a hoodie, your hair still shows and comes down. I'm drawing her skin in Minecraft on one of her videos. So, before we continue her, we are going to do the other battle chicken, Diva Chicken. I mean, not Diva Chicken, Funny Chicken. That's Diva Chicken. She looks like a diva. Then we're going to go down, like we always do. She also has a hoodie that looks very similar to this one. So first we're going to do that. The little chicken eyes, a little chicken mouth. Then we're going to draw her teensy nose. Oh my gosh, it looks way better with this. And then her adorable little smile. And we're also going to do down here some hair. Now an adorable eye. Oh my gosh, this looks adorable. Oh, I love this picture. By the way, this is how to draw my whole series of how to draw cute, adorable chibi stuff. Chibi peoples. I'm thinking about continuing my How to Draw Stuff series with an adorable animal series, which I've already came up with 1,000,000 animals that we can do. Over here, we're just going to add another little hair, and we're also going to do that over here. Then, she's not going to have the same hair. It's going to kind of go in like that. And then go up. Oh my gosh, is this hair? Oh my gosh, is that my hair? And then we're kind of going to do it like that. Aww. And then another. So her hair is kind of going on her body. So now we are going to add more to Diva Chicken, like adding down this tiny swirl. Like that. Oh, I love these pictures. I'm going to kill myself. Okay, now time for the body. So we're going to start with Diva Chicken's body, which is an adorable little chicken suit. Starting with the shirt, like that. And then this one has pants. She doesn't have, I'm going to give her little chicken shoes. I'm gonna kill myself. And then her hands. Oh my gosh, I love this picture. Okay, so there's Diva Chicken. Oh, she looks so adorable. I love this so much. Here's Funny Chicken. So we start with the collar. Then we go down for her little chicken shirt, which has a chicken on it. So we put the little eyes and then the simple little mouth. So there's her little chicken shirt. Now, we're going to do this. And then like that. And then we're going to shade in these because that is the color. Then, add in the legs. And just simply do that. And then just the little... Then her other foot should about be right here. Then the... Oh. There. Oh my gosh, I love this. So her hands are kind of going in her hair, which I put it really close to the body. I'm gonna kill myself. It's so adorable. Okay, now we're gonna add a little chicken. A Minecraft one. Wow, this is fat. There's adorable little chicken. Aww. So cute. Okay, no, we're not done yet. We have to write the battle. Capitalization. Battle. Chickens! So awesome. Puppy, seriously, I'm trying to write chickens, and you're kind of getting your paws in the way. The battle Really? The battle chickens! And you should know by now, the sample eyes. There's those. There's those. So there. And we're not done. We have to sign my amazing full name. Underline it twice. Oh, you didn't see. So here are the adorable battle chickens, and they look so cute. I'm going to kill myself because of it. They look adorable. I love this so much. So please check out their channel, The Battle Chickens, and it has a drawing of both of them. They're where they have chickens, like it's a drawing of chickens, and they're like battling each other. So make sure to look for that one. It's colored, by the way. So, and then they have great videos. They're amazing. So please check out the channel. I have this adorable picture that you guys can all see, which I'm also going to put on my amazing wall of magic. Which I love that baby Cupid. And they are going to go, I think I can fit them up on the top. But thank you all so much for watching this episode of my How to Draw Chibi Adorable Girls and Boys. And maybe babies, like our Cupid baby. Which I made smaller. That's why Dimmer was big, Rock was small because he's my little brother. That kid's small. And then so is the baby Cupid. So please check out their channel. It's called The Battle Chickens. Duh. It's on top. And thank you so much for watching this episode. Bye!